Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into your MetaTrader 4 app account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me, let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the app on your phone and you have already created an account. If you haven't done that already, then you can go through our other videos. We've also posted tutorials on how to install the MetaTrader 4 app and how to create an account for the app. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open the MetaTrader 4 app on your phone. You'll see this page on your screen. Here you'll have to tap on the message icon with 3 dots inside it at the bottom right corner. Then tap on sign in. Now all you have to do is enter your credentials. So enter your login username and your password. Type your username on this box. And then type your password on this box. After you're done, tap on sign in. After that, it might take a few seconds, so let it load and you'll be logged into your account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.